So we are here today saying we don't want that 16% because of its high, because really currently people are starving. You see, people are suffering. You've got people who are living in the river banks of Chaskei River.
Even in the community, a lot of the people are not working, they haven't got any money. And so where can you get the money to pay that 16%? Now we're saying, Pansi with 16%, Pansi!